Hey guys, welcome back to Candy Beauty. So we're doing more Bath and Body Works. They came out with this new Restore line. I have the, and I actually did get backup of this on the sale too. I have the Restore Magnesium Salt Soak. I think this is the first time they've done a salt soak. I am so excited about this. I need them to come out with more body scrubs. I have the Restore Magnesium Body Wash. I have all of the things in the collection. The Restore Magnesium Body Lotion. I have the Restore Magnesium Golden Cherry Perfume Mist. I have the hand cream. I have the body butter. And then I also picked up the new, why is there so much, what is going on? The new Water Ultra Hydration Body Wash as well. I got it for free. And this is one of their new aromatherapy things as well. So let's get right into it. If you guys are new here, don't forget and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Tap that bell so you can be notified of all the new upcoming videos. Whether you're into Bath and Body, I have like a lot of Bath and Body stuff coming up that's not even Bath and Body Works as well. So definitely you want to subscribe. Makeup, hauls, shop with me. I have another Dollar Tree video hopefully coming soon. Some more TJ Maxx and Marshalls videos, because I feel like last year TJ Maxx and Marshalls was the year for like awesome makeup, but this year I feel like it's like the year for awesome body care, like total switch. All right, anyways, don't forget to subscribe, to have that bell. Let's get right into it. So the Golden Cherry Perfume Mist. I feel like, is there a description of this? I want to get more into the line. This whole collection is infused with the good stuff. Magnesium. This is particular to the hand cream. Magnesium, shea butter, and vitamin E. That's all it says. It says dermatologist tested. Okay. I guess there's not much about it on here. I was hoping for more of like a overall description. It just, on all the items, it just says infused with the good stuff. So the good stuff must be magnesium. Okay, so first off, I do want to start out with the Golden Cherry Perfume Mist. This does retail for $16.95. These are all dermatologist tested. It says fragrance with notes of warm woods and tart cherry for a cozy, dreamy scent. Oh my gosh, okay. Very nice mister. I'm getting like a citrusy cherry, but kind of like clean smell too. Yeah, like a sweet tarts. It kind of smells like sweet tarts a little bit, but in a like spa aromatherapy kind of crazy kind of way. I'm not getting like warm or woody, so maybe there's different. This doesn't say warm or woody though. It just says fragrant. No, it does say warm woods. And tart cherry for a cozy, dreamy scent. I'm not getting cozy from this. I'm definitely getting dreamy. I'm getting fruity. Almost kind of medicinal, but not like in a cough syrup bad kind of a cherry way, but just like in a, I don't know, it's just kind of like you wear it and somebody's like, you just kind of smell like spa-esque, but like in a medicinal cherry kind of way. I don't know how else to describe it. I'm not, I don't know. I think this is going to grow on me. I'm not like obsessed with it off the bat, but it's like making me want to smell more. Like I keep coming back for more. I kind of get like a sweet tarts kind of a vibe a little bit. Do I feel anything from the magnesium? Not yet, but I've had about 5 cups of coffee today, so we'll see. Okay, so this is the Restore Magnesium Body Lotion right here. And this says it's an all-day lightweight hydration, helps restore moisture to the skin, while magnesium helps condition skin. Pair with other Restore products to create the perfect restorative nighttime self-care routine. Apply, absorb, feel restored. Okay, I do really like the pump on this. It's different from their normal, Okay, this is nice. This is different than the spray. Okay, this is gonna be more of a cherry smell. Yes. Okay, if you like cherry, you will like this. This is like, this one is kind of a straight on cherry smell. While the mist, I don't know. The mist is some kind of different sort of a vibe. But this is like, like your Ludens with cough drop cherry smell, but not, again, not in a bad way, in a really good way. Ah, just a really nice cherry. The lotion feels very hydrating. Like I need this so much for my hands right now. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. It's not sticky. Yes, please. Gosh, I don't feel like this is relaxing though. Honestly, I'm getting like uplifting. So I feel like this does not need to be nighttime. It could be day or night. And I also feel like you can wear this like overall on your skin. It's not too thick. It's not cakey. And it just gives you like this yummy, beautiful cherry smell. Yeah, but it's like kind of spa-esque at the same time. But these two do not smell the same at all. Completely different actually. This is like more of a tart cherry. And this is more of your like typical yum cherry. If that makes sense. Okay. Now onto the body wash. Oh, you know what? Sorry guys, let me show you the description. So this is the body lotion right here. And then let me zoom in on the spray. Don't mind my little chunkster fingers. I have like the chunkiest hands ever. Short people problems. Okay, and then this is the body wash. It says restore skin to feeling clean and refreshed. Formulated, like yes, I get a refreshed type of a vibe from all of these so far. Formulated with magnesium to help condition skin. Okay, we already talked about pair with other restore products to create the perfect restorative nighttime self-care routine. And the fragrance is woody, warm cherry. Apply, lather, rinse, feel restored. Okay. Yeah, this is, they're not all three the same. I feel like these two are more similar in fragrance though than the mist so far. But I think they're all supposed to be, it's good though. It's really good. And then this is how I do love the body washes that look like this. I wish they would do more like body wash packaging like this. I really like it. It's so sleek, it's skinny, it fits in. I almost wish like the everyday luxuries. I mean, I know you're not probably getting as much product. Oh no, you are. But I just love this sleek, like I feel like it looks better in the shower, like it takes up less room. Whereas the normal body washes are like, you know, they're fatter, they're wider. Like I really like this sleek packaging on these. And also on the lotion too, I feel like this is brand new packaging unless, oh no, the rose and vanilla and stuff like that, I think is packaged like this too. Okay, so next up we have the bath salt soak. And the description says, restores skin by leaving it feeling soft and smooth, formulated with magnesium to help condition skin. A pampering bath experience paired with other restore products to create the perfect restorative nighttime self-care routine. And this actually retails for $20.95, which is why I did pick up an extra. And I really want them to do, like more sales stuff. Let me just zoom in. I really do want them to do more sales stuff so that, this is the most fragrant. Oh my gosh. Okay. I just want to show you. It's like, it's kind of almost like baking soda. Even a more finely milled. Ooh, this feels very luxurious, very nice. So smooth. It's not like You barely feel the salt. Oh, this has the most kick to it for sure. This is like a citrusy cherry. It's refreshing, but then it also, ooh, whoops. Did I just get some in my mouth? I think I just got some in my mouth. It also has the warmth in it. This is the best. If you're gonna get anything, this is the most fragrant. It has the best like scent to it. It's got a warm, deep cherry smell, but then it also has the top like kind of tart, citrusy cherry smell too. Really nice quality. It's so finely milled, like more finely milled than a setting powder. Like I can't even believe how smoother than baby powder, honestly. This is good. I'm so excited to use this. I'm glad I got a backup now during the sale. But I don't think these things were on sale. They were on sale slightly, but I don't know if I got 40% off or not. I know there was like a cross through it and they were marked down. But this smells so good. So good. I think I like this the most, the Salt Soak, out of everything. Just because I feel like you're getting more of the fragrance. It's got that warmth to it. Where the other things, I feel like they're just more refreshing and more kind of like a tart cherry or like a sweet tart cherry. All right, and now onto the body butter. It says 24 hours of intense hydration helps restore moisture to skin, while magnesium helps condition skin. I never knew, like I know magnesium is good for like rest and you know, that kind of stuff, but I never knew it helped to moisturize skin as well. All right, and then this is the woody warm cherry. So let me just see. See, this one says tart cherry. I don't know. I think they're all supposed to be the same fragrance. And then this is definitely going to be like more of your thicker, you know. Ooh, this is good too. Oh, this is the warmth. Like this is like the more vanilla-y cherry. Oof. This and the soak, I think, smell the best out of everything. The body butter and the soak. And I can't wait to get this all over my hands. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. So nice. And actually, even though this is like a thicker moisturizer, it's still not sticky. It's still like, it's still nice. It's still not greasy, but it's definitely more of a thicker, hydrating. Oh, it smells so good. There's something very refreshing and aromatic about this cherry smell. It's very complex. There's nothing, I've not experienced this complexity in any of the aromatherapy products, I don't think. Like this is definitely a very unique scent. I would love it. Absolutely love it if they came out with laundry in this scent. I don't know, something about it. It just like makes you want to like cozy up into a blanket, but yet it's very uplifting and refreshing at the same time. If you think you're going to put this on and just want to like cozy up, I feel like it's half and half. Like there is something more cozy about it, but there's also something very energizing and uplifting and like, I don't know. It's a really nice scent. It's really nice. So do you need all these products? I would say not so much. I wish the mist smelled more like the soak and the body butter, because I feel like I'm missing that warmth out of the mist. However, I will keep the fragrance mist just because I do like the way it smells. Like I was cooking just a minute ago and I had to take a break to download my footage in between, and I'm like, what does that smell? It smells so good. I'm like, oh, that's me from when I sprayed this earlier. So there definitely is different layers to this fragrance. It almost dries down into like this kind of like skin but better smell. Like somebody would smell you and be like, oh gosh, she smells so amazing, but not really even think that you would have anything on type of a thing. I don't know. It's really nice, but I do feel like out of all the products, you're going to get the most bang for your buck as far as like fragrance wise and scent wise with the body butter and the soak. I mean, I do want the wash though too, because I just want it. I like the packaging of the, I like the packaging and all of this stuff. I really like the sleek design. I guess out of all of the things, oh, I didn't do the hand cream. Oh, I got the hand cream. Oh my goodness. Here I am like ranking them already. So the hand cream is 1 fluid ounce and it says 24 hours of intense hydration helps restore moisture to the skin while magnesium helps condition the skin. There are no notes on this one. There are no notes on the hand cream. That's kind of weird. Okay, so the hand cream, ooh, is going to be more in line with the body butter and the soak. Okay, so yeah, I would say that the hand cream for sure. I don't know how much the hand creams are nowadays, but I love their formula with the hand cream. And because it's got that awesome, stronger fragrance payoff, definitely go with the hand cream, the body butter, the soak. I hope they come out with more salt soaks. And I would love to see a body scrub, an exfoliating body scrub of this. Not sure why they didn't come out with that. They should have. I actually want more sugar exfoliation scrubs like in all of their fragrances. I don't know why they don't do them. I don't know why. I think right now the only exfoliating shea sugar scrubs there are is in warm vanilla sugar, which quite honestly, I got that on one of the sales. I don't feel like it smells that great. Like you don't get a strong warm vanilla sugar smell out of it. Gingham Fresh, that one is good. And then Sweetest Song, which I didn't pick up Sweetest Song because quite honestly, I'm not the, like, Sweetest Song, I like, and I think it's beautiful, the whole collection, but it's like the scent itself, it's like, I don't not like it, but I'm not like, oh, I have to wear that today. I don't know. This though, I feel like is I have to wear it today type of a thing. And it is very skin-like. So you definitely can get away with wearing this to bed and like not disrupting the sinuses, or if your partner, significant other like isn't big into fragrance, I don't think they would mind this. But also I feel like it can be pulled off as like a perfume or a fragrance as well. Like it's a very nice, it's a very, very nice, complex, expensive smelling scent. Again, all of the products are a little bit different. I feel like the most consistency lies with the hand cream, the soak, and the body butter. These three all smell about the same, but there's definitely variation with the wash, the mist, and the lotion. And I mean, I would say the lotion does smell good though. The lotion I feel like is the most, oh sorry, what is that smell? The lotion is like, I feel like the most candy, like sweet tart, like candy cherry type of a smell. And then the mist itself is like very refreshing and almost more tartar and more citrusy. And then the body wash, I can't get a good read on the body wash. Yeah, I really can't get a good read on the body wash. But I've also been like wearing all of these. So I'll have to take a shower and test out the body wash. I'm sure I'll love it. I do really like the scent, and I do really feel like this is a really good product. I do feel the moisturizing aspect on the skin. And I'm super, super excited to try out the bath. So I want to scrub and I want laundry care, and I wouldn't mind like a regular fragrance mist too, like, or I mean, not a fragrance mist, like an actual EDP, like perfume. That would be nice. But yeah, no, there's lots of new things coming out. I really, really like this line a lot, and I think that it'll be very popular, and I think it's definitely worth picking up on a sale. But yeah, overall, I love this. I love this. I want more. I want more of this aromatherapy, like good smelling scents. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.